Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to tackle a common issue that iPhone users face: problems pairing their devices with Bluetooth accessories. Whether it's a speaker, headphones, or even your car, not being able to connect can be frustrating, but don't worry, we are here to help. So, guys, first of all, you have to do is simply restart your iPhone. Restarting your device can simply solve this type of issues. To restart your iPhone, you have to open your settings. Scroll down and then tap on General. Again scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. So guys, if restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is make sure both devices are discoverable. Your iPhone needs to discoverable for other device to find it. You have to go to your settings and tap on Bluetooth, and you have to make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. After this, then you have to do is forget the device and pair again. If your iPhone has previously paired with the Bluetooth accessory, forgetting it and pairing it again can sometimes fix the issue. To do this, you have to simply go to your Bluetooth. Now tap on simply the Bluetooth accessory. Now tap on forget this device. Again tap on forget this device. Then pair it again. If this doesn't work, then you have to do is update your iOS version. You have to ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to go to your general, tap on software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. After trying this all step and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset your network settings. This will reset all your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings to their default values. To do this, you have to go to your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.